Hey there, it's Adrian from Groundhogg. We have really cool stuff coming out on March 31st. Groundhogg 4.0 is coming out. It's going to be really, really awesome. And I want to show you our logic that is going to be part of our new flow editor coming out on March 31st. So let's have a look. We have this new tab here where all of our logic steps will be. We've got yes, no, multi-branch split testing, random distribution. We've got other stuff, all of that, more videos to come to explain. Let's look today at the multi-branch, which is one of our really, really, really cool ones. It allows us to send contacts down different branches so they get different emails, different timers. You can do so many different things with it. We can add new branches, so you can see that we've added a few new branches there, and so we have now 5 different branches that contacts can go down. We can select various conditions for each branch that we want to send them down, and we can rename the branches so that it reflects our conditions, and we can see that in the flow itself. And then we can add our emails or tags or basically anything that we want within the branch itself. So we can send an email in this branch, we can apply a tag in that branch, we can remove a tag, we can add a note, and we can create a task. And so now we have 5 different outcomes based on potentially 5 different conditions based on what you configure in each branch. So that's the multi-branch. It's very cool, very powerful, coming out March 31st in Groundhogg 4.0.